Cigarettes are one of the most widely consumed products in the world, but have you ever wondered how they're made? It's a process that combines centuries-old agricultural practices with cutting-edge manufacturing technology. From the fields where tobacco is cultivated to the factories where it's transformed into the finished product, every step is carefully designed to create the cigarettes millions of people use every day. Let's take a closer look at this fascinating journey. It all began in the Americas, where indigenous peoples cultivated and smoked tobacco for thousands of years. Tobacco wasn't just a recreational pastime, it played a central role in religious rituals, healing practices, and social gatherings. They would smoke it in pipes, roll it in plant leaves, or use it in ceremonial fires. When European explorers arrived in the Americas in the 15th century, they brought tobacco back to Europe. Figures like Christopher Columbus and Sir Walter Raleigh introduced the plant to the continent, where it quickly became popular among the upper classes. At the time, it was consumed in pipes or as snuff, and many believed it had medicinal properties. The earliest form of cigarettes as we know them appeared in the 17th century, when European soldiers began rolling loose tobacco in paper. By the 19th century, hand-rolled cigarettes were becoming more common, especially in countries like Spain and France. The invention of rolling machines in the late 1800s revolutionized cigarette production, making them faster and cheaper to produce. However, as cigarette use skyrocketed, so did concerns about its impact on health. By the mid-20th century, studies began linking smoking to lung cancer, heart disease, and other illnesses. This led to widespread anti-smoking campaigns, warning labels, and stricter regulations on advertising and sales. Today, cigarettes remain a topic of debate, with millions still smoking despite the known risks. From its origins in sacred rituals to its rise as a cultural symbol, the history of cigarettes is a journey shaped by tradition, innovation, and controversy. But how are they made? Let's take a closer look at the process. It all begins in the fields. Tobacco is grown in warm climates, with the most common types being Virginia, Burley, and Oriental. Once the leaves are mature, they're carefully harvested and cured. This curing process, which can involve air drying, flue curing, or sun curing, gives the tobacco its distinct flavor and aroma. After curing, the tobacco leaves are transported to processing facilities. Here they're cleaned, shredded, and blended to create a consistent flavor profile. Additives, such as flavorings and humectants, are often mixed in to enhance the taste and prevent the tobacco from drying out. Once the tobacco is prepared, it's ready to be rolled. High-speed machines combine the shredded tobacco with cigarette paper, which is specially designed to burn evenly. Filters, typically made of cellulose acetate, are added to reduce the harshness of the smoke. Finally, the cigarettes are cut to size, usually around 84 millimeters for standard cigarettes. Quality control is a critical part of the process. Each cigarette is checked to ensure consistent weight, length, and density. Advanced technology even detects and rejects any imperfections, ensuring that every cigarette meets strict manufacturing standards. After rolling and inspection, the cigarettes are packed into cartons, sealed for freshness, and labeled with branding. From here, they're distributed to retailers worldwide, ready to reach consumers. While the production process is fascinating, it's important to remember the impact of cigarettes. Smoking is a leading cause of preventable diseases, and governments worldwide are implementing measures to reduce its prevalence. If you or someone you know is struggling with smoking, resources are available to help. Thanks for watching another episode of Behind the Make. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights into how this world is being made day by day. See you in the next video.